What's up, guys? I'm doing a review for this B250 XTX everyday call. They're right now like $80, $20 off just for November, December. Sick and tired of the AirPods. I'm gonna go back to my headset. I want to see you guys want a 2024 review. What do we have here? I remember this when I was my first year in trucking. Let's go back to it, baby. Let's see how you work. Last time it lasted 2 years. I'll let you guys know how long this one lasts. This is the box right here. Let's check it out. What else you want to see in here? $80. Got your charger, your thing, your little extra thing. Two of them. Two extra for the little thing, and just so you can have that extra, you know, so people can hear you. Well, yeah, that's my review, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Catch you up to the next one.